What's up YouTube? Today we're going to go over hosting plans. A lot of people will use sites like HostGator, or iPage, or GoDaddy, or Bluehost in order to host your web server. But today we're going to go over something a little bit different. We're going to be using Amazon Web Services, which use Amazon's web cloud to host your website, and you can do it for free. They offer free platforms. You can also pay for more expensive alternatives, which if you're using a lot of data or doing a lot of computations, you go with these plans. But if you're just hosting a simple website, I highly recommend Amazon Web Services, especially if you're just hosting especially if you're just hosting a regular website on an Apache server. So we're going to go ahead and sign up for Amazon Web Services, and I'm actually going to create a new Amazon account, so I'm not using my old account, and you just saw my email there, but it's fine. Just go ahead, create a new Amazon account. I'm going to pause the video and make a temporary account, then I'll see you guys on the other side. Alright, so once you have that all figured out, you're going to make sure you sign up for the free account, by the way. You're going to end up on this page after you've finished filling out all the information, and make sure you hit the free option too when you sign up. Now you're going to be sent a confirmation email, and you're also going to have to receive a phone call with a confirmation key. So after you've done that, go to a new tab and type in aws.amazon.com. Hit enter, and you're going to be redirected to this page. Click on this button, My Account/Console, and go to AWS Management Console. This will send you to this thing right here, and this is going to be pretty much be your home base for your servers. This is everything you need to access or manage is going to be from here. It's not a cPanel, it's a little bit different, it's a little bit more complicated, but I'll walk you through it. So another big thing is you're going to want to download FileZilla. If you followed my other tutorials, actually we never really covered FileZilla, so make sure you download it. I've got it already installed here. Make sure that's just ready to go for later. It's free, you don't have to worry about paying anything. So your next step is going to be to launch an EC2 Ubuntu instance. So you're going to click on the Instance Manager, click Launch Instance, wait for it to load. All these are options are being taken care of on these massive supercomputers all around the world. So right now I'm located in Oregon. You can go to Virginia, Cali, Ireland, Tokyo, Sydney, or South America. And click Launch New Instance. We're going to go with a Ubuntu free tier eligible server. I'm going to go with 12.0.4, which is an Ubuntu server, most recent version of Ubuntu. I'm actually not too sure what the difference is between 12.0.4 and 13.10, but this is what I used last time. I'm not going to need 64-bit, so I'm going to choose 32-bit there. Select that type of instance. Now it's going to be a micro instance, so it sounds like it's small, but it'll be able to handle most data you're going to be able to hit it with. You're going to now configure the instance. One instance, shutdown behavior, it's going to be stop. Pretty much you don't have to really change anything. This is going to be your password to log in. It's going to be root. Tag instance. So your key value pair is how you're going to log into your server. So you're going to need to create keys, and you're going to be able to log into your instance by giving it a file as a key. That's going to be your key to get into the server. It's not going to be a password, it's going to be this data file. And when you log in through FileZilla later, you're going to be passing it this key that you're going to log in through. Same with logging in through your terminal on Amazon AWS. So you're going to create a new security group. Launch Wizard-1 is fine. You're going to want to add a few different rules. You're going to want to add SSH. You're going to want to add HTTP. You're going to add HTTPS, which is down here. And I believe there's another one. Go for MySQL. That's going to be really important later. especially if you have any kind of databases you want to load. I've forgotten to add MySQL before. I spent 4 hours debugging it, and turns out I just had a port blocked. That's going to be it. The source needs to be custom IP. Let's go with anywhere. Alright, let's go with tag instance. The source. Alright, wonder if we can block this one. There we go. Alright, name your key, name, value, doesn't really matter. Let's just launch it, see where we're at. So these are our security groups. Should be able to download our key somewhere around here. But just hit launch, we can download it later. Yeah, here we go. We don't have a key pair found. So we're going to need to create a new key pair before we can launch this. So this is the key that we're going to use. So create it, it's called a Ubuntu key, and click download key pair, and that will automatically generate our key and start downloading it. So this is going to be a .pem file. Show it in your folder. Here it is. Control X. Alright, so you're going to want to throw it on your desktop. Doesn't really matter where. I usually throw it in a Dropbox so I can access it from other places. Alright, that's not what you want to see. So once you've downloaded it, you now hit launch instance. So your instance is now going to be launched, which means it's going to be live relatively shortly. And this is pretty much your web server in a nutshell. You're not going to be able to see anything because there's no data running on it. It's pretty much just a Linux computer running on the internet with an IP address that you can access it through. And the IP address right now is this address right here. We're going to go into more detail in the next tutorial. I'm going to go over how to get your own unique IP address and how to associate a domain with it. So now it's running. You can access it, and that's not loading. We'll get it later. Here it is, DNS. Wrong IP, wrong URL. So load it, and there's nothing here. Well, we'll get that in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and we'll cover IPs and setting up and accessing your instance in the next one.